spider have?
8 legs. Spiders have 8 legs.
Are spiders insects? No more. Again,
Arachnids.
What do spiders use to catch their food? Nets, webs, hands.
Webs.
What do most spiders eat?
Insects.
Insects and either more. Where do spiders live? Only in water, only underground, many places.
Many
Homes,
places.
their jungle, their garden, their
Homes.
many places.
Oh,
Ikaw sunday so hey, here can sort here. Hey, what is a baby spider called?
Spiderlings.
Do all spiders spin webs?
Yes.
Do all spiders spin webs?
Not all of them.
Who are those who don't spin?
Huntsmen, tarantulas. Huntsmen, tarantulas, crab spiders, jumping spiders.
Web anh này về lâu mà. Web tuần này thôi mà sẽ ăn spin về lâu này mà. Are most spiders harmful to humans?
Yes.
Are most spiders harmful to humans? Spider they can harmful với cái mission tetan. And harmful mà sao em? Em thấy cái harmful đó.
The same from that and the
Ít trồng rồi đó tụi. Hey. Làm rồi em rồi. Em mơ.
Brazilian wandering spider.
Lẽ.
Same name for the web spider. Redback spider.
Em mơ. Redback spider mà. Chỉ thêm.
No, it's no.
Spider sẽ tới khá chỉ thêm.
Hả? Same name for the web can. Meat bone just the tito.
Mà sẽ chúng mình tới khởi anh em bear. India ra mà
Australia.
Australia. Nè chú. Anh là what is the biggest spider in the world?
The Korean bird eater spider.
Anh em chú mình tới chú. Anh em Asian. Bird có ấy thế mi.
Insects, baby birds, mammals, rats, mouse.
Anila, what is your favorite spider?
Huntsman spider.
What is the cutest spider according to your opinion?
Jumping
spider. Anh nghe đáng sợ đuổi này spider ạ khăn. Tarantulas, are they dangerous?
The most venomous is the Indian ornamental tree tarantula. Even though it's the most venomous, it can kill you.
Really? And then, what is the biggest spider that you have found?
In our school, we found tarantula.
But
it's large.
It's large.
Yes. It's
Did
very
you-
large in size.
Did you catch it? Did you catch it? No, ma. Unfortunately, no, me. Ani le. Spider te ka. Nghe ka daddy long legs te ka spider an ni em ka.
Nilong.
Because
Because they don't even have 2 body segments.
that means spiders.
And they don't even make webs.
Oh, and then that means spiders have 2 body segments, ma. Neat. So, and what is your favorite animal? Animals, I mean
Spider.
Your favorite species spider mo?
Australian.
Where do you want to go when you grow up?
The most people fear. The most people fear. The most feared country in the world, Australia.
Which is Australia. Because there are so many spiders.
Yes.
Okay.
What can islands? มีจะเขินฝนหมดตะเกียง
Ang hlau to ka mo.
Anh lão mà sẽ spider sẽ có anh lão rồi.
Nang macho ikal chak lu to ka mo. So I think ikal don paisa ni tan to I think ya ka.
Đuổi.
Dor siya mama. Okay. Ang data me dan me. Dutok me